Well, now we're going to talk about the Irish Families Project. I know I've gotten a lot of questions about that in the past, and I'm going to try to explain to you quickly just what it is. Now, I told you that we did the Book of Irish Families, Great and Small, way back in about 1980, and we've added materials, and I've explained what that book was about. Well, we've also decided to do books on every county in Ireland, and we've ended up with a 34-volume set on Irish families. Let me tell you what is in each one of them. Now, Volume 1 is the Book of Irish Families, Great and Small, and that's just jam-packed full of Irish family histories from all 32 counties of Ireland. And we also have a master index that just gives about 40,000 names and county locations, sparse for those families, but it gives you a place to start. And we have the master index to the entire set that exists as it is. Now, the next 7 volumes are additional family histories in each of 7 different counties, and those counties... we also include an index, of course, and some coats of arms and a little bit of history on the counties and when the families arrived, that sort of thing. Now, those are hardbound, and they're usually 100, 200 pages. Now, for the next series from Volume 9 to Volume 34, they're the spiral-bound family books, and they're called like Ireland Genealogy and Family History books, and one on each county that we've covered. And we've covered every single county in Ireland. And in those books, we've extracted all the names from the census of 1659. We include maps. We have color maps on some volumes. And we also include records and resources, where to go, who to write, what are the addresses, what were the noble families in each county. We extracted the arms. And we've also put a list of place names so you can look out how some of those place names might have been spelled 100 years ago. Well, often it's different than on the records that you've got here today. So those books from 9 to 34, those volumes, they're more for genealogy, serious genealogy research, and if you want to actually dig down into the records yourself and see what it's all about. So that's the distinction there. If you got any questions, you can feel free to contact us at irishroots.com. Be glad to answer any of your questions. And coming to you from the Irish Roots Cafe, that's the story on the Irish Families Project. Thank you very much.